Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Becky Thames here live for The Drive at 5, and today I wanted to share with you 3 places that you can find products so that you can sell them on Amazon. And you're probably not going to believe where I'm going to tell you to look to find products to sell on Amazon. So first of all, for those of you that don't know me, hi Karen, thanks for joining. My name is Becky Thames, and I am super duper passionate about helping women earn their first dime online with e-commerce. And even if you have a part-time job or a full-time job, so even after work, because I just got off work, I just went to the gym. Hey Julie, hey Val. So today's Wednesday, and I've already worked out 3 times this week. Hey Sue. So I'm super excited. I met my goal, right? My goal is to exercise 3 times a week. It's Wednesday, and I've met my goal. Hey Kendall, thanks for joining. So listen, 3 places that you can find products. So my favorite one, back in, let's see, 2014, when I was first learning how to drop ship and sell on Amazon, the training that I was being taught, and so were, hundreds of thousands of other people, is to find products on Amazon and sell them on eBay, right? Well, if you want to make a lot of money, you need to think differently than everybody else. So the training was like, find the products on Amazon, sell them on eBay. Find them on Amazon, sell them on eBay. Well, guess what I was doing? I was finding them on eBay and selling them on Amazon, right? So when other people are zigging, I'm zagging. That's what my mentor told me. I didn't come up with that, but that's what I do. I did it without even knowing that I was doing it. And another thing, like zigging and zagging, so I would also find products on Amazon and take to eBay as well, but I made more money finding products on eBay and taking them to Amazon, especially if I was the very first one to bring it to the Amazon platform. And that's what you need to be looking for as well. But in January of 2014, so I live in South Carolina, and it's not real cold here, but it was cool. I was selling snow cone machines. Most of the time when you think winter, you're like, okay, we're going to sell snow shovels and, ice scrapers and fireplaces. I'm like, shoot, no, I'm going to sell snow cone machines to people in Australia, because you have to think bigger than just the United States. Guys, there's 7.125 billion people on this planet, and a lot of people love to shop. So you need to think bigger than the United States. So that's the first tip. But the first place that you can go to look to find products to sell on Amazon is eBay. Did you know that thousands of people use eBay as a search engine? Just like some go to Amazon first, some people go to eBay first, some people go to Google first, and you can go to all these places too. So what I want to say about eBay is, especially find one that's not sold on Amazon yet and take it over to Amazon, and you will be like golden. And when you're searching on eBay, look for things like let's see, I think it's usually in red, and it'll say like, this item was sold 75 times, and this item was sold 200 times, and this item's been sold 1,275 times. Well, if you click on that number, it's going to tell you when the item was sold. Hey Heather, thanks for joining. It's going to tell you when the item was sold. And that's what you need to look at, because if it's sold, 2,000 times, and you click on it and it was sold back in December and here it is June, I probably wouldn't list that item, right? So that's the kind of things. There's also a tool that you can use. It's called Terapeak. I haven't looked at it in like forever, because I'm not a big seller on eBay now, other than my own private label products. So definitely check that out. And then you can look at the reviews on eBay, just like you can on Amazon. But on eBay, it's the reviews / the feedback. So feedback review thing. And if you find a product, when you do go to eBay, you want to look for like bigger brands. So let's say that I private labeled some toothpaste. So I would go and look at, the Colgates, the Arm & Hammers, those type of products, the Aquafresh, all of those other toothpaste to see if I could get some keywords from their listings, because remember, you're not selling products, you're selling keywords, and those would be huge competitors that I could probably never compete with. But what if I found, you know, here's a good example. When I was in grad school working on my MBA, we were talking about selling shampoo, and in third world countries you can sell black shampoo because the natives there had black hair, and so they liked black shampoo. And you know, here in the United States, if you put the shampoo in your hand, it's like clear or white or something like that. Well, they would use black shampoo. So what if I found a niche of people that I could sell black shampoo to? So that's another thing that you can think differently with when you're selling your products on Amazon or eBay. So the first place you can look is eBay. The second place is Amazon itself. You know, Amazon is really cool because Amazon gives you data. They give you a fish. They said, okay, the person that bought this Aquafresh toothpaste, they also bought Scope mouthwash, right? Or the person that bought this Arm & Hammer toothpaste, they also bought Listerine. Or the person that bought this Arm & Hammer toothpaste, they also bought dental floss. So you, as a private labeler or an Amazon seller, you can bundle, you know, the Aquafresh and the Listerine, or you can bundle the Aquafresh and the Scope or whatever. And the more items you have, statistically, there's going to be more combinations that you can do. So let's just say that you're in the toothpaste business, right? You can make all these toothpaste, some with fluoride, some without fluoride, some charcoal, some white, whatever you want to do with your toothpaste, with your private label products. And you could even go out and create a Shopify store and let people mix and match. So like on Amazon, which you always want to start selling on Amazon, but you want to get off of there as quickly as possible, because remember, Amazon's another middleman. But if you can get your own niche store, like a Shopify store, so let's say, for example, that you want to be in the oral health field. So you could private label your own toothpaste. You could also sell, you know, become distributors for the Colgates and the Arm & Hammers and all the other toothpaste, the Toms, and you know, whatever. And then you could set on your Shopify store, you can set it up where they mix and match what they want to sell or what they want to buy. You know, so what if they wanted to buy Listerine and Scope and dental floss, the green dental floss? Then you could have that as one little bundle on your website. Whereas on Amazon, it would probably be harder for you to create all these little bundles. But you could still use Amazon, have all the items at Amazon, and just use Amazon as your distribution center. Because I do that as well. Because like I have hair supplements, I sell all over the internet. I mean, if you Googled my hair supplement, it's all over the internet. And then if they sell on Amazon, of course, Amazon sells them. But if one sells on eBay, guess what I do? I go to Amazon, I fulfill it, and send it fulfilled by Amazon. You can do like go up there and click on it and do fulfilled order, and then have Amazon be your distribution center. Or you could hire an FBA prep center to do it. I know I'm giving you a lot of nuggets today. It's like, oh, I could just go on and on and on. But so Amazon itself gives you a fish. They say, okay, these are frequently bought together items. So like if you just purchased a brush, they might say, well, the customers that purchased that brush, they also bought this comb. And the person that bought this comb also bought this shower detangler. And you could just go on and on and on and go down these rabbit trails of all these different things, because Amazon tells you, hey, these, sorry, it's shaking. These were frequently purchased together, and then also the customers that bought this also bought that. And then the third place that you can go and look for items to sell on Amazon is Google. Guys, Google, a lot of people, they just go straight to Google. It's a search engine. And did you know on Google itself, like let's say that you typed in toothpaste, hit enter, and then you can go up on, there's a little tab called shopping. And when you click, it's up there where you look at, I think it's called, well, it's usually at the top. It says images, and then you can say shop and shopping, and you click there and you'll see what the most popular items are for toothpaste, and or they're either the most popular and or that person bid the most to be on the first page of Google. So it's advertisements as well with Google AdWords, but you can see the keywords they're using. It's just so many ways that you can make money and, you know, find products to sell on Amazon, on eBay, on Walmart, on Google, anywhere, everywhere, at the mall, wherever you want to sell stuff, right? And, you know, think about your people. I don't know about in your malls, but when in our malls and you're walking down there and they're like, oh, can I straighten your hair? Can I put some lotion on your hand? And guess what they are? It's stuff that they've gotten private labeled, and it's selling on Amazon, it's selling on eBay, selling all over the place. But they have you as a captured audience. They put the lotion on your hand. You're like, oh, that's so soft. And you're like, no, it's too expensive, because you can bargain with them, right? So know that you can. A lot of people don't know that because it's their private label, and they have high margins because they have to pay the mall price, right? They have to pay the mall rent price. So if you like this video, share it out. For those that are just joining me, if you don't know who I am, I'm Becky Thames. I'm super duper excited about helping women earn their first dime online with e-commerce, even if it's after you get off your full-time job, like I do. I only do Amazon part-time. I've had over $1.3 million in sales. I've had way over $1.3 million in sales, but I just say 1.3 because it's part of my story, and I quit sharing my numbers back in 2016, I believe, was the last time I shared numbers, because it's not about what I can do, it's what I can teach you to do. It's what I can help you to do. So if you're interested in selling on Amazon, send me a message. I'd love to chat with you. There's so many ways to get started selling on Amazon, so many ways. And I hope you all have an amazing day. Take action. I'm going home to see my family and take a shower because I just got out of the gym. All right, guys, have an amazing day.